How much does it cost to straight pipe a car? Pros and cons of straight piping a car exhaust. Every car has a lot of mechanical components that enable it to run. The more modern ones have both mechanical and electrical components. The car combusts fuel in the engine to facilitate locomotion. This process leads to a lot of heating regulated by the radiator. The machine then expels waste gas through the exhaust pipe. Contrary to what people think, exhaust pipes have 4 functions instead of just one. The 4 functions are: to control noise, to direct exhaust gas or fumes away from passengers, to improve engine performance, to improve fuel consumption. Every car has an exhaust system, and these are the functions of the exhaust system. There is a rather exciting trend in exhaust systems. People no longer want the standard plain old exhaust systems. They now wish to the straight pipe exhaust system. But what is the straight pipe exhaust system? What are the straight pipe exhaust benefits? How much does it cost to straight pipe a car? Keep watching to find out the answers to all these questions. But before I continue, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel for more information videos from us. You should know that industry standard exhaust systems were designed to suppress and muffle the sound of a vehicle. A straight pipe exhaust removes the limitations imposed by your standard system and lets your car make all the engine loud sound it possibly can. Some love it, and some do not. If you are the conservative type who wants to drive quietly in the suburbs and meditate on your day, you will likely never want a straight pipe exhaust system. You will also not want to be around when someone else's car using the new system passes by. Straight pipe exhaust benefits and disadvantages. The advantages/benefits of straight piping exhausts include: it makes the car perform significantly better. The car seems to do better when you remove the catalytic converter. The pressure on the engine is reduced considerably, which ultimately makes the car's engine have the potential to perform better. Loud engine sound. There's something about cars with rumbling engines that sets them apart. If a Rolls-Royce passed by, for example, everyone would know. It has a powerful engine sound that conveys its strength, speed, and sturdiness. Lighter and faster cars. Lighter objects can move faster because the constant law of gravity does not as strongly draw them. It means that vehicles that have lost weight by switching to a straight pipe exhaust system will be lighter than vehicles of the same model. In addition, vehicle owners will be surprised to see their fuel economy improve after installing a straight pipe exhaust. So far, a straight pipe exhaust and how it expels exhaust gases from a car improve an engine's performance. Some disadvantages of straight pipe exhaust include: they are very loud. The sound from ditching their straight exhaust systems can be annoying. People may even curse you when you drive by for making an unreasonable amount of noise. Everyone is not a Formula 1 fan. Very few people will get the point of ditching an old exhaust system for a straight pipe upgrade. Serious environmental impact. The sad part about having a straight pipe vehicle is that you contribute to climate change challenges. The linear exhaust system does not have a catalytic converter to filter out the harmful components of the exhaust output. Carbon, oxide, CO2, and sulfur are among the gases. In some countries, people pay taxes on expensive cars having a straight pipe system. This is to discourage them going forward. Expensive to install and maintain. Perhaps, this explains why most people don't have straight pipe exhaust systems. It is costly to set up and maintain. This makes sense, and there should be a cost for class. Individuals who prefer to have roaring engines are mostly seen as rich because popular expensive cars make similar sounds. But if you like driving the car of the rich, you should also be ready to bear the cost of the rich. Resale value is low in many places. After the straight pipe is installed, it is not always easy to resell, as many countries, including the US, have banned it in several states. Reselling illegal material can, after all, be tricky. If your car works just fine, there is no need to install a straight pipe exhaust system. Straight pipe exhaust kit. Straight pipe kits vary for different cars. You have to identify those that suit your car model. There is even a universal kit that can work on all models of vehicles. Awesome, right? You can use the universal kit to pipe any car of your choice straight. If you are unsure how to use it, don't forget to consult an expert. Universal 2.5-inch custom exhaust tubing Mandrel bent pipe straight and U-bend kit. Does straight pipe hurt your engine? The straight pipe exhaust system does not hurt the engine but improves it. To this end, its effect is to the detriment of the environment. Installing it can't damage your engine because removing the filters allows the engine to breathe, function better and improve fuel economy. How long does it take to straight pipe a car? Installing straight pipes of cars is done by a professional, which takes about 2 hours at least. It is probably not as long as you imagined, but do not install it yourself unless you are experienced with all the modern tools available for uncoupling exhaust systems. How much does it cost to straight pipe an engine? The cost of straightening the car pipe varies by model. The average price, however, is about $1,100. Moreover, getting a straight exhaust pipe to require a particular skill can cost an additional $200 in labor costs and parts $900. How much does it cost to straight pipe a Camaro? The cost of straight piping a Camaro is determined by its kits and labor costs. And finally, you could pay about $1,000. How much does it cost to straight pipe a Mustang? A Mustang might be the cheapest car to be straight piped. With a budget of $800, you can cover the cost of the straight pipe, the cost of labor, and all other fixtures that will hold it in place. How much does it cost to straight pipe a Charger? The cost of straight piping a Charger is about $1,000, depending on the model, kit, and labor cost. Having watched this video to this point, I hope you understand that the cost of straight piping your cars depends mainly on the model of your vehicle. So far, straight pipe exhaust systems are popular among vehicle owners because they can substantially improve the overall performance of their cars. Perhaps, you can straight pipe your vehicles if you choose to and enjoy the benefits but always have the cost of kits and labor to heart. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to support us.